Say something.
Pardon?
Say something.
Say what?
I don't know. Something.
Something.
Have a good day. See ya. Hey, good morning. Good morning. I hope that you are all doing so well. I'm just on my way back from dropping my son to school. We decided not to let him get on public transport. We're both working from home at the moment, so we can bring him and pick him up, and I just think it's safer pandemic wise, not because we're crazy cuckoo parents who wrap our kid in cotton wool. So just on my way back today, what do I have planned today? I need to sorry, I'm looking at a crazy driver doing a crazy maneuver. Okay, what are you gonna do now, dude? Alright, thank you for being sensible eventually. So today, what do I have on my list today? I need to contact, we're doing some renovation work in our house actually. Our plan is to do a single story rear extension. So we need to start reaching out to builders to get some quotations. We have the plans from the architect, which allows us to start getting quotes. Because I'm not sure if you know this, but builders don't like to quote unless they have the plans to work from, which I get, but it would be nice to kind of have an indication of what you're likely to spend before getting architects involved. Yes, it was a bit chicken and egg, so we now are looking for builders. If you know any good builders in London, let me know. What else do I need to do today? I need to chase up my plumber. He went to our investment property to do our gas safety check, and also there was some remedial works needed to be done to the boiler. And I have been chasing him to pay him. Like, dude, like, do you want to be paid? I want to pay you. So I need to chase him up to kind of make that payment. He's a small business, and I think for my own cash flow and records, I like to just get things done. I've already put the money aside. What I'm kind of anticipating the work to cost. For my own records, I kind of like to just keep on top of things, as I showed in my video. I don't know what day it was. I was kind of going through my expenses and plotting out for the month of December what I was expecting. So, but also, as I say, he's a small business, so and Christmas is coming. Like, you must need your money. So send me an invoice. Let me know how much I owe you, and let me pay you. So I need to chase him. What else do I need to do? I need to find an electrician. With the changes to the requirements for, I think it's EICR. I'll put the actual name in if I've butchered it. It's basically a report on the condition of the electrics in an investment property. I need to have that done and in place next year, but the challenge is that electricians are just majorly booked up right now, so getting an electrician will be difficult, and I don't want to wait until the deadline and then struggle to get somebody. Thank you, driver. Don't want to struggle to get somebody to do the work, so I need to secure an electrician, get him to come out, assess the state of the electrics, tell us if there's any remedial works needed, so we can get on top of that. You'll find that with being a landlord, there is just a lot of stuff that needs to be done for safety's sake, for peace of mind. Some things because they're just cash cows and the government like to just generate money from us. You need to stay on top of it all. And when you are working full-time as well, like being a landlord isn't my full-time job yet. I say yeah, okay, let's not get into that. We'll go into that another day. But yeah, when you're juggling that alongside having a full-time job, having a family, you definitely have to be organised. Hence why I do have the Organised Property Investor podcast over on Instagram. So that was a little plug for that. If you haven't checked it out, definitely head over to my IG page and see what tips I share around being organised in your property investing journey. But I think it's applicable just for small businesses in general, like not only property investors. So definitely head over and check that out. But yeah, I've got a few admin things to do today. So yeah, hang with me, chill with me. Leave me a comment, let me know if you're doing Vlogmas, what you're up to. I feel like just from watching previous Vlogmas videos, people obviously were out and about and doing the most. And obviously in 2020 things look slightly different, and the majority of people are at home or kind of like popping out briefly to do little bits and bobs, shrouded in masks. So we are where we are, we move. Stay close, see what I'm up to.
Whoa, you're giving me a start, yeah? Is there any reason why you're there filming me?
I told you I am doing Vlogmas. You are in Vlogmas with me. You have no choice, you live in my house. You know what, it looks a bit hospitally.
What?
I don't know if it's the colour or the like racking, it just makes me think of hospital. And your thumb! That looks really near.
Once it's in here, it's not coming out.
You didn't tell me we were doing refunds. Come on, Zee. Whoa! 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 I don't know.
Some fast chicken like you could be split up in it.
We done? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm waiting on you.
Okay.
You really thought I was done with it for some reason. I do like that.
You like what?
The island.
Island is nice.
The drawers make it cheap enough.
This looks nice.
Why is it square?
Why not?
You're just gonna get hand soap over a square box.
So if you got it over a round box, would that be better?
What do you think of that?
What? It reminds me of like a, what's that?
Sushi bar.
Yeah.
What put together?
Go on.
What do you think?
Mum, put me on, put me on.
Yeah, it's nice. I prefer just the big island though, because it's almost like you're sat there waiting to be served. There's no one in.
It's still a big island, but it's just the seating around it is low.
That's early. 30 minutes. They're gonna close.
Sushi bowl. We can have this like a sushi bowl.
Don't you touch it. It's just the look, my love.
Well, it's not very good. Makes you want to look upstairs.
Something smells chocolatey. Mmm.
Not bad as the juice can smell.
Something smells delightful.
Someone's been drinking them.
Ooh, that's pretty. How gorgeous is that? Thank you. Did you have a look at any of... Have we given up the idea of the sink for the laundry room? I think we did, isn't it?
Yeah, I think
We
we
said it was pointless. Well, not pointless, but not an essential. Bathrooms.
I was doing feedback.
Feedback for who?
Ikea.
Did anyone ask you for feedback?
No, that's not how